I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Hulu subscription through the web app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Hulu website and click on Login at the top right corner. Enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to go to your account settings. Step 3. Find your subscription details. Scroll down to the subscription section. Here, you will see your current plan and billing information. Step 4. Click on Cancel Subscription. In the subscription section, look for the Cancel Subscription link. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 5. Follow the cancellation prompts. Hulu will guide you through a series of prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any offers or options they present before finalizing. Sometimes, Hulu may offer a discount or a pause option instead of cancellation, so keep an eye out for those. I hope this helps you navigate the cancellation process smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.